Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Gaurav channel and NILET Recruitment 2022 form filling video. So as you already know, for senior technical assistant there is recruitment for NILET. Was last date is 19 July 2022 and 7.4 lakh per annum is your CTC. So in this video we will discuss that how you can fill the form properly, okay, and what are the exam centers and everything. Every detail I will share with you in this video. Before going to form filling, what are the things we required? So first you required your SSC mark sheet, 12th or diploma mark sheet, bachelor's mark sheet, okay, that we need to upload there on their portal. Then the important thing is that photo plus signature, okay, means below your photo you should attach signature like this. So here you will have signature and your photo will be here. So one you will upload this, and second separately you will upload your signature, okay. Just remember this thing, very important. And whatever guidelines they given you, like here you can see that on a white paper, okay, with black ink pen, so just follow that guideline strictly, otherwise you may face difficulties in your document verification, okay. Also dimension is very important, so just take care of this also, okay, whenever you just draw on white paper, and signature in black ink on white paper. Now these are the documents we need to send them via post. So yeah, after submitting online you need to send them, okay, via post all the documents along with your application form of NILET, okay. That is the thing you need to note down. So what is the address? So address is this, that is Registrar National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NILET Bhavan, plot number 3, PSP Pocket, Institution Area, Sector 8, okay, Dwarka, Delhi. So here you need to send via envelope, via speed post. And the important thing is that whatever the form last date is, that is your 19 July. Before that they should receive your envelope, okay. So after watching this form filling video, strictly fill the form, okay, and then tomorrow or a day after tomorrow you can post them via speed post to Delhi. And here if you feel any query, then definitely on Instagram, on our application, on our WhatsApp, I am there for you, okay. So just feel free to ask me any query. So in the comment section I am giving you the link, okay. When you will click on the link, this page will get open. Now first we will register new. Here you have to enter details, okay, like your candidate first name, your middle name, last name, and it should be as per SSC mark sheet only, okay. So this is the very important thing, it should match with your SSC mark sheet, whatever name you have, okay. Then father's name, mother name, guardian name, this is not mandatory only first name. Then you have to select gender. So what is your gender, okay, just select that properly. Then enter your date of birth, okay. Then category, in which category we want to apply, just select that, and whether you are PWD candidates or not. If yes, then click on yes, otherwise no, okay. Okay, next thing you have to just select your Aadhaar card, whether you have Aadhaar card or not. So that thing you have to select. So suppose you click on here, okay, if you don't have Aadhaar card, then you have to choose any other ID from here, this, okay. If you have, then simply click on yes button, enter your Aadhaar number, then mobile number and email ID, okay. Then click on I agree and click on continue, okay. So after 1 minute you will get OTP on both your mobile number and email ID. Enter that, both OTP will be different, and then click on continue button. Again enter CAPTCHA here and just click on save registration detail and will do login now, okay. Okay, so when you click on login button, again they will send you OTP on your mobile as well as on your email ID. So just enter that, enter CAPTCHA and click on proceed to login. So this is the main screen now. Here we need to fill all the details, okay. So just watch the video carefully from now. Just click on personal details, just verify your personal details and scroll down. Now here you will enter your 10 class roll number, that is mandatory, okay. Then whether you are JNK domicile, so if yes then click on yes, otherwise select no, okay. Whether you are department candidate, so if yes then yes, otherwise no. Whether ex-serviceman, so click yes, then to enter your length of service, okay. If no, then click on no button. Now enter your address here, okay, city, district, state, pin code, and then if this correspondence address is same as your permanent one, then just simply click on this. So all the data from here it will get reflected here. Next, select your nationality. Then if you want, you can give any other mobile number here, okay. Then whether there is any criminal case pending against you, so if yes then click on yes, otherwise no. Now the most important thing, we need to upload here your photograph with signature first, okay. Here they demonstrate how you need to upload, okay, and width and length, it is most important, and your signature. So for signature, width is 3.5 and height is 1.5, okay. So like this only you need to upload here, otherwise in document verification your form will get rejected, okay. Then simply click on submit and your personal details will be done. Now next thing that we need to fill up the application, so just click here, okay. Then scroll down in step 1 and now you can see here post applied. So just select your post here. What is your post? So our post is senior technical assistant, okay. Now we will select city of your examination. So you can see city, all the city which are available for you, okay. So limited city this time, but still I hope you will get your city in your city. If you not get exam center near your city, then definitely just select the nearest city to you. Here you need to enter your education qualification. So whatever your education qualification, okay, just enter that. Then you have to enter date of acquiring a qualification. Okay, so select your pass out year here, name of university, then division, that is first class is mandatory. Have highest qualification, then you can enter, otherwise you can leave this. Okay, then you can also give them your experience details. If you have experience, then you can mention here, otherwise no problem in that. Okay, go now and save step 1 and proceed. Now in step 2, just scroll down and come to this page, that is preferred choice of posting NILET centers. Okay, so now here you will give them your preference in which location you want the job, first, second, third, like that. Okay, suppose I want first in Agartala, so I will select Agartala first. Okay, then I want Delhi, then Delhi, like this. You need to give them your preference. Okay, so accordingly you will get posting all over India. Okay, so like this you will give them preferred cities of your posting. Here also you can see first preference is Agartala, then second is Delhi. Okay, like this you can give here, then click on save step 2 and proceed. And in step 3, just scroll down, and now we need to upload your class 10 mark sheet. Okay, 10 plus 2 mark sheet, your mark sheet of essential qualification, that is your BE Tech, degree of essential qualification. Okay, that is degree is required here, so you need to upload a degree also, and your identity card, that is Aadhaar card, you need to upload here. Okay, and just click on then save step 3 and proceed. Okay, so now you will see your whole application. So just make sure all the things you enter that okay is correct. If you found any error, then definitely you can edit the application anytime before submission. Okay, so scroll down and just click on make payment button. If you are from other category, then you need to pay 300 rupees, and for open OBC and EWS 600 rupees is the payment. So here you can pay via UPI also, internet banking also, and credit card, debit card also is there. Okay, so I hope that now you know how to fill the NILET form properly, and if you have any query, any doubt, then definitely you can comment down below. Okay, now just wait for our strategy video, and then we will start our preparation. Success pack will also come, so just wait for that. And till then, just join our Telegram channel compulsory, because that is most important, so that you will get all the updates. All the best.